Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how to reactivate your Fiverr account. So as you can see, we are now on the seller dashboard. Just click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner and click on settings. After that, you'll be redirected here and you'll see all these options: your full name, email, online status, account deactivation, and what happens when you deactivate your account. Your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr anymore. Active orders will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. So just click on here for a reason why you're leaving. And there, for example, click on other and you could tell them more why you're leaving or just a brief description why you're going to leave. After that, just click on the activate account. And once you've deactivated your account, to reactivate it again, just go to Fiverr and log in with the same email and password. And after that, you'll be successful on reactivating your account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.